Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to rearrange function arguments dynamically using JavaScript. This technique is useful when working with functions that require argument reordering. Let's get started. This function is useful when working with APIs or callbacks where argument positions may not match what we need. This function uses map to reorder arguments before calling the original function, ensuring a flexible and reusable approach to argument transformation. This function dynamically reorders arguments using map, making it highly adaptable for different function signatures. This method ensures arguments are arranged correctly, regardless of the initial order, making it a powerful tool for function manipulation. This function is useful in cases like API integration, callback handling, and function composition, where argument order needs adjustment dynamically. This wraps up our lesson. We have learned how to dynamically reorder function arguments in JavaScript. Try using this method in your own projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.